Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the iEGrow storage basket or cubed organizer, which is in this package right here. This is a product that you can currently get on Amazon for $29 for two separate baskets in the 13 by 13 by 13 dimension. We recently purchased these because we have the cubed shelf from Target, and the dimensions on that shelf is 13 by 13 by 14 and a half. And so this is a really good size for that shelf for creating more drawer or organizer space. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll just take a look at these just to give a general sense of how they look and whether they'll function for that purpose. Okay, so these are the iEGrow 2-pack storage baskets. Currently you can get this on Amazon for $29. They've got several other sizes as well, but this is their 13 by 13 by 13 inch dimension. Interestingly, it doesn't actually say the dimensions on here from my understanding, but the packaging is pretty simple. It's basically plastic wrapped, and there's going to be two separate containers in here. I did open this on one end, but let me see if I can get this open real quick for you. So the nice part about this is it's going to have a bamboo top, and then there's going to be more of a cloth design. So we'll look at one of these. So basically this is what it looks like. So there's a bamboo top here. This will elevate up. Okay, and then it's more of like a canvas cloth side on the outside here. Hopefully you can see that well on camera. And then on the inside here, how it opens up and stays elevated is these canvas kind of like harder pieces of bamboo, I think. And then basically it's got Velcro where it'll support the top like that, if you see that. And so you just elevate this up on each corner. And it'll stay into place by that. And so that's what it looks like after you use it. So each of these kind of sits underneath the bamboo top, and you just have to push it all the way flush into there, and that keeps everything taut on the outside, and then kind of puts the basket together. I'll say that in general it's like a little bit of a cheaper design compared to a standard like basket that's like standalone and sturdy from that standpoint. But the nice part is if you do not want to use this or you want to put it away for storage, you can easily collapse it down and put it down that way. But this is what it looks like from afar. Hopefully you can get a sense. And so that's kind of everything as far as that. So it's about like $14, $15 for this actual product as far as the design and things like that. It does have handles on the outside. All right, and real quick, I did want to show you on the Bright Home shelf from Target this fit for this actual container, because that's the purpose of it. But this is what it looks like on the actual Target shelf. So it easily slides in and out. The nice fact is that it's cubed, so you can really rotate it whichever way you want. So if the handle you want to pull out, it really fits very well from that standpoint. And then a side-by-side comparison, these are actually the baskets that they had in Target. So these are options that are on the shelf. This is more of a canvas bag with some like leather handles on the side, but that fits very easily as well. Gives you a different look. Very similar, they've got this separate basket that's a little bit smaller as well. So those are the two options on Target. You can always go with these like kind of more woven designs as well. There's a wide variety of options at Target as well that are either this smaller cube design or the larger cube design. You just have to check out the size. But I'd say that looking at all the options, I'd probably lean more towards the canvas one or the woven design because it's a little bit more sturdier versus the iEGrow one. The fact that it's got these little like it stands up just by Velcro. My concern is if you start throwing things in here that's a little bit more bulky, or you start moving this around, it may break with time. So it might not be the best option as far as price point for the quality you get. I think these ones that are a little bit more expensive are probably better bang for your buck. But it is an option for the shelf, and it fits very, very well as far as the size comparison.